Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to the Gullus in the kitchen. Now I am making pizza. It's not about normal pizza. Now I am making dosa cheese pizza in a easy method. Let's catch my recipes and follow my channel to know more my recipes. First take the vessel and heat it. Next add the dosa batter into that and cook it for 3 to 5 minutes in low flame. Then add the sauce. The vessel is in hot. Then add the dosa batter. Dosa, cook it in slow flame for few minutes. Next add the pizza sauce on the top. Then add cheese, diced cheese. If you want to add processing cheese, add in the last. And cook it for low flame in 5 minutes because the cheese will melt. It will take time. Next add capsicum. Then add tomatoes, sliced tomatoes. Next add its green chilies, slices. Then add onions, slices. Next add the oregano on top. Then add chili flakes. And keep the Deccan. And cook it for 5 minutes in a low flame. See, it's like a same bread pizza, but it's not a bread pizza, it's an dosa cheese pizza. Keep the Deccan. And now dosa cheese pizza is ready, and now I am removing and testing the how it is texture looks like. Dosa cheese pizza. You can see the texture. On the base, it's dosa batter. On top, cheese and chili flakes, and little bit veggies. And nice combination also. And you can add on white cheesy sauce for like dosa chutney. I'm eating veggie too. And thanks for watching.